Top 3 Excel tips and tricks. Number 1. Custom number formatting. Select the column, Alt F1, Custom, Erase General, in square bracket color 10, 0.00, Alt 30, semicolon, square bracket में red 0.00 and Alt 31. And that's it, all positive up arrow and all negative down arrow. Number 2. Text formula equals to text, bracket open, select the date, comma, select blank cell, F4 freeze, bracket close and enter, drag down. Now write 4 times D to show the days, 4 times M to show the month. Number 3. Age calculator equals to DATEDIF, bracket open, select the date, comma, today, bracket open, bracket close, comma, select blank cell, F4 freeze, bracket close and enter, drag it down. Now write M for months, D for days and Y for years. Thank you.